I attempted to record this one yesterday. Chickens carving a pumpkin. It did not work, so that recording's now gone. And it's gonna be up. Ooh, opens. This doesn't open always well. Second try. I don't think I carved it deep enough. And maybe I didn't give him enough time, but I will now try. I guess this was the face I was trying to give it. I don't know. Wasn't it a beautiful face? Not one bit. But I don't know, I'm gonna try to get a little deeper with a screwdriver of all things. There, yes. Eat pumpkin. Eat it. Look, it's good. I like pumpkin spice. You should like pumpkin spice. Without the spice. I don't know. I think I just went through the pumpkin completely, to be honest. I mean, this one seems interesting, maybe. Maybe. Maybe not. It's walking away from me now. I embarrassed it. Wow, I'm just carving out the eyes. Maybe this isn't the best way to do this, but I don't know. I don't feel like I went deep enough, so this is gonna be a fun one. I'm gonna put this down. My. No, do not peck the camera, of all things. There we go. I want to taste it, but yeah, I'm not gonna. No. It tastes a little bit like dirt and chicken feet. Come on. Oh, should be deep enough. Plenty deep. Now, that looks like this. I'm gonna give it a little bit. See how it goes. Hopefully they like it this time. Maybe. Doubt it. I have to duck in there. I don't know why. I guess I don't even have to duck in there. I don't know why I'm ducking. I think I'm taller than what I am. I'm not. You know? No, totally. I'm very tall. Comment! He doesn't care. A dog. Oh, it's nice. Wait till probably tomorrow. Hopefully tonight. Probably tomorrow. I want to watch football. More so Michigan State losing than anything. I know that. They're not good. Oh, Aiden Childs is good. If you know football. Doesn't really matter. Why am I? I'm just like talking and talking right now. Here's a pond in the meantime. A little filled with goldfish. We got a bunch of feeder goldfish at one point. Every single one survived. I don't know how. And then I'd koi at the same time. Expensive ones. I don't know, maybe $500 worth. A weasel, he didn't like that. And stole them all. Fortunately. But I guess that's what happens with outside things. Not any of the goldfish though. Or Fanta. I have 2 Fanta with still a chubby goldfish in there. They're perfectly fine also. Comet. He's not jumped in yet. I'm waiting the time well. Comet, don't do it now. No. Yeah, now it's just gonna wait. Real fun time with that. Multiple hours later now, and I look odd. I was gonna wait till tomorrow, but they've done absolutely nothing so far. I put some mealworms. Might as well put some more. Let's see. Oh, there we go. That thing is real easy to open, totally. Comet? No. Thinks he's hurting a dog already. Let's see. Comet? No. Thinks gets to go every time, apparently. It's usually not that bad. Let me say he's a little too smart for his good. There. Those ones. Big Wyandotte, I think. That's what, yeah. Silver Wyandotte, golden lace Wyandotte, three Polish chickens. I don't really know the colorings. I think one of these may be a Jersey Giant, but probably not. I don't know. Can't think of what it is called, even though they're at the store quite a bit. I do like these, but apparently they cannot get the pumpkin. I'll stab it in there. I'll put them on, you know what, I'll put them on top even. It's like, come on. I don't know, I'll just try something tomorrow. If it doesn't work. Or we'll see. Probably nothing's gonna happen, but hope. The next day now. Oh, let's see. I don't have the highest hopes because they have yet to do it in 2-3 days. And oh, I think I was right. Ow. Myself like a splinter on my nail. Ah, there we go. They ate the mealworms out of the places I put it. Maybe a few pecks. Not too many. But not really much I can do about it, I guess. Every animal has their own personality. And every single one of these don't like pumpkins, I guess. Not big Halloween creatures. I'm not gonna record it just to get another result again. I guess they said no. That's okay. A fun try. I got to carve the pumpkin a little bit early. Beautifully. Totally. And that is about it. Try to come up with another fun enough concept.